In this video lesson, you'll discover how to paint in watercolor using the wet into wet Alla Prima technique.
For the purpose of this video lesson, I will depict an apple. As the name of this technique suggests, I will paint on the wet paper surface. This is why I begin this artwork by moistening the paper with clean water. The sketch in graphite pencil is already in place, so I can begin painting in color. The process will go from light to dark tones. I made the first layer in light yellow, painting it wet into wet with a flat, natural hair paintbrush from Escoda. The reason that I am using a flat brush is because it holds less water than the same width round brush. Keeping control of how wet the brush is very essential for this watercolor painting technique. Because the paint mix is applied wet into wet, more water is added on the paper surface with every brush stroke. If the paper becomes oversaturated with water, the paint may run uncontrollably.